Welcome back to another Armadillo Designs hardware installation tutorial. Today we will be installing rear interior Molle shelves. Installation should take roughly 30 minutes and can be done solo. Ensure you have the following tools before proceeding onward. Okay, let's get to it. Start by locating the two L brackets that attach to the interior gull wing Molle panel. These L brackets can be set at different heights, so choose the position or angle that works best for you. Once decided, use two M8 by 1.25 mm Molle clips to secure the outermost holes on each L bracket. Apply blue medium strength Loctite to the M8 by 1.25 mm bolts before securing the L brackets to the interior gull wing Molle panel. Hand thread each bolt to get them started, and then tighten using a Torx driver. Note that you will need to rotate the bracket into place, so install the second bolt before firmly snugging down the first. Repeat the process on the other side of the vehicle, ensuring the L bracket is positioned identically. Next, place the Molle shelf onto the L brackets, aligning the bottom holes. Use the 25 mm M8 by 1.25 mm bolts and lock nuts to bolt the shelf to the L brackets. Once all the bolts are in place, tighten them until snug using a wrench and Torx driver. And that's it! Your rear interior Molle shelf is now installed. Follow these same steps if you purchase two Molle shelves and are looking to install the second as well. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.